Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm sharing a quick and creamy white sauce pasta recipe that you can make at home with simple ingredients. This is a restaurant-style pasta that's perfect for lunch or dinner and loved by kids and adults. Marinate a chicken with some mentioned spices. Right after 15 minutes of rest. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil to cook marinated chicken. Simultaneously, add onion capsicum. Cook all together. Heat a pan on medium flame and add cooking oil. Add maida and cook for 30-40 seconds on low flame. Slowly add milk while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Cook until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. Add salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and herbs, which is totally optional. If the sauce feels thick, add a little pasta water or milk. Add the boiled pasta to the sauce and mix well. Now add the cooked chicken and vegetables and cook for 2-3 minutes until slightly soft. Your creamy white sauce pasta is ready.